We have built Parisian Vibe with a strong belief that this should be the platform where authentic voices can shine. Throughout the year, we will invite talented personalities who will hopefully inspire you as much as they inspire us with their work, philosophy of life over a casual conversation. Meet Mattiel, whose signature style is defined by her use of red lipstick. Discover how she made it her signature color in her creative world, how she applies her red lipstick throughout the day, and her unique style.
Hello, my name is Mattiel and I'm here in Paris. I'm a musician and an artist and a songwriter. I'm here to talk about my favorite shades of red lipstick. I actually didn't start wearing any lipstick much at all until my late 20s. And I think for a long time it was difficult for me to connect with my femininity. I like to have a style that contrasts masculine and feminine. I like to have both things going on at the same time. But some outfits are more feminine than others, and it just kind of depends on how I'm feeling that day. This is kind of a masculine outfit, but I'm going to add a pop of red to just add like that feminine pop, and it can change the outfit entirely when you do that. One funny little line that I wrote, it's for a song that's not out yet, but it goes, "I know I could claw and climb and clamor for clout, if only I cared to kill all shadow of a doubt." And I don't know how that comes across to other people, but for me that means like, I'm not gonna play the popularity contest game. I'm just gonna do my thing. A lot of my music thus far in my albums has been around the subject matter of politics or social observations, but I haven't written about love yet, and that's what's coming next. I think any lady could wear red lipstick anytime, at any age. I found my shade of red just from a process of elimination. I tried a lot of different colors growing up, and I wasn't too keen on the cranberry or berry shades, and I found that a warmer toned red looked better for me on my olive skin tone. So I usually go for warm reds. And this is a really matte shade, but it has a lot of pigment in it. So oftentimes I will mix this with this Gucci lipstick, also in a hot red, because this one is a little bit more moisturizing for my lips, and this one can kind of dry my lips out if I wear it for too long. So sometimes I'll mix L'Oreal and Gucci together. I'm gonna start with this Gucci shade. It's Goldie Red, and this is a kind of a moisturizing version. And I like to put this on just for daytime. And I don't use any lip liner. I just kind of go for it. So this is normally what I put on for daytime, and I will show you how I build it up for nighttime with more pigment in these shades here. But it's very comfortable for the daytime. It's like a moisturizing version of this lipstick. This is the same shade, but in a more pigmented version. So as I continue with my day, I kind of go in and I make it darker sometimes. And it's just kind of a buildable color. Sometimes I'll go in with my finger and kind of blur the edges a little bit, because like I said, I don't use any lip liner to create the shape. But once I feel like it's natural and looks good, then I'm done with that. Beauty will save the world. Well, beauty is in the eye of the beholder. It's very different for everybody. Maybe love will save the world. So for nighttime, I will take this more pigmented hot red on top of these moisturizing lipsticks that I've already applied. And this just adds kind of a darker color and more contrast for evening if you're in like dark lighting. So I'm just gonna go in, put on a little bit more, and you can see it's a little like more rich, but it has a lot of pigment, so I don't want to put on too much. But yeah, this is L'Oreal shade 348. It's kind of a deep, hot red. So with these three lipsticks, one being kind of light and moisturizing, the second one being kind of in the middle, a little bit more pigmented, and this kind of darker, richer shade of red, I can go from day to night with these three lipsticks, and it really works. For me, red as a pop of like hot color is a very powerful color, and it's important to choose wisely when you use it. I either like to go full red with a full red outfit or just like a small pop of red. But in my live shows, I have a lot of red elements like lava going on behind me on a big screen. And yeah, it's kind of like going to a bullfight and you're the bullfighter and you have the red flag and you're trying to get people to play with you and react. So yeah, red is a very important color for me in my world. Thank you, Parisian Vibe, for having me, and hopefully you learned a little bit more about using red lipstick. You can find me on the internet and in real life at a live concert someday. See you there. My huckleberry friend. Moon, river.